Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to stack objects or mesh on top of each other in augmented reality using RealityKit in native iOS application. So firstly I'll show you the output. So here you can see that I have my app running, and if I click on it I'm able to place items one on top of each other. So you just have to place you just have to click on top of the element. So here you can see there is Z fighting where the GPU is not able to understand which one is at the top. So if you notice, once I make sure you have enough light in your room, otherwise you might face some challenges. And if I place one mesh, I am clicking on top of the other mesh, clicking on top of the other cube, then it places the other mesh as well, or cube in our case. So let's see how to do this. So firstly if you will have to go to info.plist. I have created a native iOS application. I am using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. And here inside camera I have added this camera usage description permission. So that's the important thing which you have to add. Then inside view controller, all I have done is that I have imported RealityKit as well as ARKit, and here I have created our AR view. So here we are initializing our AR view. Then here I am just telling it to occupy the entire width and height of our screen. Here we are registering one click listener or a tab listener for our AR view. Then once you so here okay, so I think we don't need this. I wrote it by mistake twice. So once if you see we on click we are calling this handle tap. So here we are getting the tap location first. Then there is some kind of logic which even I don't really understand. I have copy pasted it. So basically we are detecting we are making use of recast. I'm not really sure what that is, but basically it detects where exactly you are tapping, like whether it is a normal floor or whether you are tapping on a cube, so that it will help us to determine the position of the next cube when you tap or click on the on your screen. So that's what it basically does, as well as this particular code. So yeah, even I'm not really good at this, but here I'm just generating some random color for our material, so that each of our cube looks a little bit different, so that there is no confusion. So yeah, and here I have created one extension for UI color, so that I can randomly generate all these colors, but you can do it however you feel like. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.